How to fix authentication error on Yahoo Mail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve Yahoo Mail login issues on your Android device. First, double-check that your email address and password are entered correctly by tapping the eye icon to reveal what you're typing. After that, if you're sure the details are correct, tap on Forgot Password on the login screen to reset your password. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password via your recovery email or phone number. At this point, once reset, try logging in again with your new password. In the next step, if the issue persists, long press on the Yahoo Mail app icon and tap App Info. Following this, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the authentication error. Once done, also tap Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. From here, open the Google Play Store and check if a Yahoo Mail update is available. If so, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Finally, if the error is still showing after all these steps, go to the Yahoo Help Center through your browser and contact Yahoo Support directly to resolve any account-specific issues. And that's it. If this Yahoo Mail guide helped you fix the authentication error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.